Buying your first home is a stressful process at the best of times, let alone trying to navigate a global pandemic.
That's right, Jaden. With open homes and now public auctions being banned, economists are actually predicting up to a 20% downfall in the property market. On top of that, lenders are becoming more stricter with their lending criteria.
So if you're feeling a little confused and a bit uncertain about buying your first home, you're definitely not alone.
And that's why we're holding our special edition First Homeowners Masterclass.
We've carefully selected questions that we're regularly being asked by first home buyers and going to go through some of the techniques they're using to navigate this crisis.
In the masterclass, we're going to be covering how COVID-19 is affecting the property and finance market. You're going to find out how the coronavirus pandemic is impacting on property prices and as well as lending criteria.
We're going to deep dive in the home buying process. We're going to take you through what you need to be aware of now. Like Nathan said, auctions are banned, but there's different ways you can use technology to get ahead in the current market.
And we're going to break down everything you need to know about getting a home loan.
We'd normally do this masterclass in person, but because of social distancing, we're going to do it completely online with a 100% free webinar.
So please join us and register your interest in the link below, and we'll look forward to seeing you there.